Hello guys, welcome to my channel CodeWithAH. Today I'm going to do ScratchJr. This I'll go to plus. I'll make a jumping game. I'll make a room where my cat can go, jump. Then I go to yellow. Then I say touch cat. Then the cat have to jump. Then I press stop. And I'm going to add a boat. I'll make the boat a little bit small. Now I'll make the boat go face to the cat. And I'll add another background and delete the cat and go to take a cat. Then I'll make a background. Go to number 1, then go to red, go to cat. If someone go to yellow, if the cat touch something, so go to the other background. I'll go to boats and make the boat move. Then go to yellow and take the flag. Then I'll do it forever. Now I'll go to cat again and do the jump to 9. Now we are going to take a yellow flag again and go to orange and take the speed to fast. Then go to red and then stop. Let's try the game. First we have to make the full screen. Now we have to press the flag and jump. Let's try again and change the jump to 8. Now let's try the game. until jump to 15. Bye bye, guys.